Welcome to Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. Today, I am going to be opening two packages that I received from Just In Case Rescue. These are emergency preparedness type kits, first aid kits, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have two kits here. One is going to be the Mini Elite, and the other is an Elite Pro. Now, each of these kits have something just a little bit different in them, so I want to open up both of them and show you what's inside. Now, Just In Case Rescue, it's a veteran-owned company, and he puts these kits together for hiking, emergency services, active shooter kits, that sort of thing. So I was in need of a first aid kit for hiking because a couple of weeks ago, me and my friend Daisy were out hiking on a 6-mile hike, and during that hike, we stepped into a yellow jacket's nest. Fortunately, we were not allergic. However, both of us ended up with 10 bee stings each. Now, we jumped into the water and tried to nurse our wounds, but we were 4 miles in, and we had not seen a soul on this track the entire time that we'd been there. So had we had an emergency situation, we could have been in trouble because we didn't have any service. Once we started going through our pack and our first aid kit, we realized what we were carrying, well, it wasn't quite sufficient for what we really needed. So as soon as that happened, Jeremy reached out to Justin at Just In Case Rescue and said, hey, we need a good kit for Kim to travel with in her hiking pack. One that's lightweight, one that's waterproof, and one that is going to make sure that she is taken care of if she's out on the trail. So he put together two kits for me and told me pick and choose which one you want. So the first one we're going to open up is the Mini Elite kit. Now these bags, you can choose different colors. They have red, black, camo, tan, military green maybe, but they have 5 different colors that you can choose from. So of course we chose black and red for our colors. So this Mini Elite is the one that I plan to carry in my hiking pack. As you can see, there are straps here, MOLLE straps, so I can strap that on to anything that I like to strap it on. That also comes off, so if I don't want to strap it onto something, then I can just put this down in my pack. It's got a little carry loop, super easy to manage. All right, so we'll leave that off for now. All right, so let's take a look about what's inside this first pack. So the first thing that we have are some scissors. Let's get this where y'all can see it. We have the various patches that you can put on it, and I'm sorry, but that just fits us beautifully. And here we go when we open up the pack. All right, so let's see what all is in this tiny little pack. All right, liquid skin. This is going to be the antiseptic relief pack. So you're gonna have like hydrocortisone cream, antiseptic wipes, alcohol wipes, first aid burn, antibiotic cream, and prep pads. So you've got a nice little selection. You've got 3 of each of those. So a nice little selection in there. Oh, just dropped a lot of it. Sting and bite pads. Definitely needed those when that happened for me. Gloves, surgical gloves or rubber gloves. You also have a survival and rescue blanket, CPR mask, a pack of bandages. You have a 16, that's 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 15, so over 30 bandages, different types of bandages. So all the different types of adhesive bandages that you may need. A triangular bandage. So this is like a cotton bandage made with natural rubber latex. Not made with natural. Cool. So it's cotton, and it's got the little safety pins, so in case you need something a little larger. Gauze. Eye wash solution. And a gauze refill first aid pack. So this has several different types of gauze pads, eye pads, adhesive pads. So it's all the gauze, different types of gauze pads that you may need. And tape. So all of that, and you also have some first aid instructions. So talks about eye injuries, poison, sunburn, unconsciousness, how to handle wounds, bleeding, heat burns, choking, chemical burns, animal bites, bee stings. There you go, bee stings. That was important for me. So anyway, you have some instructions, basic guide to first aid to kind of help you while you're on your way. All of that is packed into this tiny little pouch, all right? So this is going to be what I carry. Oh, and I missed this part. There's a flashlight. So they have a tiny flashlight as well, and it's already working. So all of that into this tiny little pouch that weighs just shy or just over about a pound. So I'm super excited about this because this is going to be very lightweight for my pack and not add a ton of extra weight. The only other thing that I'll be adding to this is some Benadryl. And here's the thing, with these packs, you can customize the pack as well. So if there's certain things that you want in your pack, all you have to do is reach out to him and say, hey, let's add this or let's add that. So the only other thing that I'll be adding is some Benadryl, just in case, as well as like Tylenol, ibuprofen, kind of pain relievers. That will be added to my pack to carry along with us. So that's super cool. All right, so I'm gonna set all of this aside and unpackage or undo the other package. I know I can get all this back in here. How do you know? Because I've tried. I've already opened it. So, I know, I cheated. So now this is the Elite Pro bag. That's the Mini Elite, and this is the Elite Pro bag. Now, what's different about this bag is designed to help you take care of an individual in the instance of a bleed. So what's special about this bag is it contains the supplies to help you control a bleed before a medical professional can make it to the scene. An average person can bleed out in 3 to 5 minutes. Typically, an average EMS response after 911 is called, the average response time is 7 minutes. So this pack could literally help you actually save someone's life, all right? So that's just important to note about why this pack could be valuable to you. So again, plenty of holes across the front for Molly. This also, you can strap it, there's more strapping areas here. This Velcro comes off if you don't want that. So lots of storage options to be able to keep this in a convenient place. I think this is gonna be super awesome to like strap to the roll bar of the Jeep. So let's see what's inside. All right, so there is a lot to this pack. I just want you guys to see. I want to up close look at all the cool things that are in this pack. So let's get to breaking it down. So in the zipper pouch, again, we have bandages, plenty of bandages here. Lots of bandages. Again, hydrocortisone cream. This is going to be like your creams and your wipes and your alcohol prep pads. This one, now this is the assorted medications pack. So actually, I will take this and put that into my other case because this has aspirin, non-aspirin, aspirin, pain relief, antacid, antihistamine, and sinus relief, and it's 2 of each. So I'll actually put this into my hiking pack so that I'll have it. So I'll stick that over there. Sting and bite pads, again, tape. The survival rescue blanket, gauze bandage, or not gauze bandages, the cotton bandages. Now this is gonna be like your ACE wrap. Now you have more eye solution, but this time it's a much bigger bottle in this pack than what you get in the other pack. Now here's where the nitty gritty gets. So we've got rolled gauze, a burn shield, a vent. Oh, a vent. Okay. This is from North American Rescue. This is the chest vents. I'll definitely have to learn how to use that if I'm going to be carrying it, because I don't know. More cotton gauze. A square. There's a couple of those, actually, cotton gauze. Yep, got a couple of those. A modular bandage. So again, this is the bleed kit. So you're gonna have more gauze, scissors, tweezers, duct tape. I mean, because duct tape can cure anything, right? Gloves. Liquid skin and a marker. Now, what I learned, and I just learned this week as I'm learning how to take care of yourself after a snake bite. What I learned is that if you get a snake bite, that you are immediately supposed to draw a circle around the bite and draw a line where the swelling has started or the pain has started, and then you're supposed to put the time. And then every 30 minutes, you're supposed to draw another line and put the time, draw another line, put the time, so that the emergency services can see how quickly that swelling is happening. So this is actually going in my hiking pack as well, because I don't know why it's here for the bleed kit, because I don't know that just yet, but I'm going to tell you that it's definitely going in my hiking pack for just in case for the snake thing. The CPR mask. The gauze refill package. So again, you've got all the different types of bandages for gauze bandages in there. And Everstop, it's a trauma bandage. Stops heavy bleeding fast and super absorbent. So there is that. Let's see if we have anything else in these pouches. Nice. So that's it. So all of this is in this small little pouch, and it's compact and all put together for you in case of a bleed or in case of an emergency. So this pouch is a little larger than what I need for my hiking. However, this is an amazing sized pouch to put into your Jeep, in your vehicle, for emergencies. But this is a great little pouch because it includes everything that you should need, not only for general first aid, but also in the incident of a bleed, a traumatic bleed or something of that nature. So this is very, very cool. Like this, and like the setup. So, and I'll get that all packed up. All right, guys. So I know that we all have some sort of first aid solution that we normally use. I know that we, or if you don't, now you know where you can go. Reach out to Just In Case Rescue. We will put the link to, we'll put the website down in the description. So be sure to click there and go and check out their kit. They also have medical sling packs. They have active shooter kits, and they also make hard cases for their first aid kit. So if you would prefer a hard case over a soft case, that's an option too. So check them out on Facebook and on Instagram at Just In Case Rescue. And like I said, you can find them and order from them by clicking their website link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you have enjoyed this video and hope to see you back again soon. Have a great night.